Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from WowApp to PayPal. I have about 131,000 WoW coins, which equates to 1,310 US dollars. To give you an idea, it took me a year and a half to save this amount. So to withdraw, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the green button to withdraw. Here you can see my total balance of 131,000 WoW coins and my available balance of 113,726 WoW coins. The available balance is all earnings older than 60 days. You can only withdraw earnings that are in your account for 60 days or more. To withdraw to PayPal, scroll down and choose a PayPal method. In this field, I'll go ahead and choose the country I'm from, Czech Republic. And now I can enter the amount I want to withdraw. My available balance is 113,726 WoW coins, so I'm going to withdraw all of that. Below that, I can see the summary of this transaction, how much the withdrawal fee is, and what amount will reach my PayPal account. I will receive $1,045 to my PayPal account. In the last field, I'm going to enter my PayPal email address, then confirm with my password, and wait 1 to 2 business days until the payment arrives. So after 2 business days, my money arrived. Here it is, converted to my local currency, the Czech crown. In the USD box, I see $1,045, and when I look at the transaction history, here is the last activity showing an incoming payment from WowApp. When I click on it, it brings up a summary of that transaction. The sender of the payment is WowApp.com, and the amount is $1,045. So I can confirm that WowApp is working and paying out without any problems. In fact, I've been using it for about 6 years now, and there has never been a problem. I started using WowApp sometime in late 2015, and since then it has more or less just kept getting better. They keep adding new features, new earning methods, new shops, etc. I'm very happy with this app, so I'll give them 5 stars.